Most entrepreneurs dream about hitting their first £10,000 month. But here is the truth you won't hear often. It's not about luck. It's about the business model. Let's break it down. £10,000 per month could come from just one client at 10,000, 5 clients at 2,000, or 10 clients at 1,000. The real question isn't the math. It's whether your offer and your positioning can actually support that value. Businesses that charge premium prices solve expensive problems. They don't just do tasks. They help their clients make money, save time, or significantly reduce risk. That is the secret to high-ticket pricing. To reach consistent revenue levels, your business needs 3 non-negotiables: a crystal-clear offer, a highly defined audience, and a repeatable system to acquire them. When those 3 elements align, growth stops being a mystery and starts becoming predictable. If you are ready to evaluate whether your current business model is built for £10,000 months, I've recorded a free CEO growth audit. You can find the link in the description below. Watch it today and let's start scaling.